G'day folks, welcome to the show. I'm not sure this show wanted to be made. I've had all sorts of trouble trying to bring it to you. But anyway, grab yourself a bevy, kick back and enjoy whatever it is the hell I'm going to bring you tonight. Cheers, let's go. Yep. It's not happening. Oh well. It's winter time here in Tassie. We don't get a lot of opportunities to get jobs done, so the bike won't run. We've got to go and get some chores done, eh? Let's go. For those of you that don't know, I'll give you a geology lesson. I live in Tassie, which is southern island state of Australia. If you continue to go south just a wee bit, it's Antarctica. So lens clean. It's Antarctica, so I'll show you that there in the map. So in the winter time it gets really cold. It gets light late, it gets dark early. We have some horrendous frosts and snow here at times. So getting an opportunity to get out on the bike can be limited. And getting jobs done around the house can also be limited. So the bike won't go. Looks like I'm going to have to do some chores around the house. Come with me, we'll get some lawns mowed, we'll get some tea on, and we'll call it a show. So enjoy. Fucking battery. Job one. We've got the Hogs, Cogs and 2 Aussie Flogs sign up on the bar. So, well done, mate. Okay, so there's the lamb. She's all dosed up, ready to go. Got the rosemary sprigs in it, so that'll put that in the Weber. We'll just let that rest now and get that to room temperature, and we'll get cracking with the vegetables. Thank you very much for dropping by, and we will see you next time.